Oh hey guys, welcome to VX Batabs. This is the second video of my new train set in a tin. My first video got some feedback from YouTubers. Now Cliff from Jonas and Cliff came up with the idea that I should be using a weaker battery because the feedback has been that the train has been going too fast. So I've tried a weaker battery, had to hunt around for one. Most of my batteries are pretty good. So I've tried a weaker battery in it, so we'll see how it goes. So it's going a bit slower now, a bit more like scale speed, which is good. Oh, it's not so good. What's going on? Again, what is happening there? Check that out. Okay, problem solved. Just a bit of a track problem there. Well, thanks Cliff for coming up with a suggestion of using a weaker battery. I'm sure you'll agree that it's going a lot better now. Well, thanks for watching guys. I think this weak battery is on the way out, so we better leave it there for now. It's going fairly well. And cheerio.